This time of year there's a lot of work to do around the yard and garden, and I really needed to take care of the mess that's gathered up behind the lawnmower shed in the shop. And everything's going to have to be consolidated behind this shop, and whatever doesn't fit is going to have to be thrown out, because that's just the way it has to be sometimes. I pulled the existing racks off and I spaced them out the width of a 2x4 and mounted them back on. If you look close, you can see that I can put sheets of plywood in there. I think this is really going to come in handy. When I built these racks, they were made for other things. Now they don't really line up with what I've got back here. There was some wasted space, but I just happened to find on the ground when I was cleaning up some rebar. And so I drilled some holes in the uprights, hammered them in place, and they seem to work just great. These kind of jobs, they're easy to put off, but eventually you got to get them done. And once you get them done, it's great. I got a couple more in the yard and garden and shop to do, and I'm looking forward to getting them all done and get back to the shop and get back to work again.